In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best music distribution platform. So if you're an independent artist or record label owner and you have been looking for the best music distribution platform you can actually use to distribute your release, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm actually going to walk you through how you could actually choose the best music distribution platform for your release. So in this video, we are actually going to be comparing two best music distribution platforms together, which is actually Landa Music Distribution and Nation Digital Distribution. So right now, before we actually get started with the video, I would like you to actually take note of something. So for me right here personally, in order for me to actually choose a music distribution platform, the first thing I always look out is the pricing model. So after looking at the pricing model, I'm actually going to be looking at the features that we're actually going to be getting for that price, because literally as an independent artist, the best thing you need to do right here is, in order for you to actually pick a music distribution platform, is one, you need to actually go for a music distribution platform that is actually affordable and it's easy to actually maintain. So if you're actually going to be heading over to the website right here to actually compare these two platforms together. Right now we are on the official page of Landa, and once we actually click on their pricing plans right here, you guys are going to notice that you could actually get started with Landa distribution for just $23 per year, and basically you could actually upload unlimited music. You're also going to be keeping 100% of your royalty, and Landa is also going to be distributing your music to over 150 plus stores worldwide. And yeah, so literally you're also going to be getting YouTube content ID with Landa, but you could see right here it says the YouTube content ID is actually limited. So basically you might not actually get the YouTube content ID forever. So that's just the disadvantages of their basic plan right here. So if you actually come over to their pro plan right here, which actually costs $44 per year. So basically you're actually getting unlimited pro music distribution. You're also going to be getting advanced to report analytics and also advanced to other features right here, and also you're also going to be getting faster release. So one thing I actually need to actually tell you guys is that if you actually sign up with the basic plan of Landa, it's going to actually take about 7 days for them to actually distribute your release. But if you actually sign up with their pro plan right here, it's going to take about 3 days to actually get your music distributed on all streaming platforms. And also Landa also has their studio essential plan, which I'll say this plan is mainly tailored to labels. But basically if you're an independent artist that actually want more features, you could actually go with their studio essential plan, which actually costs $99, which is approximately $100 a year. And basically you can see right here that these are all the features you're going to be getting right here with this plan. Right now, if you actually compare Nation Digital Distribution pricing to Landa pricing, you guys are going to notice that you could actually get started with Nation Digital Distribution plan with a basic plan for just $12 a year, which is quite cheaper than Landa. And you're also going to be getting 100% of your royalties, and they're going to be distributing your music to over 250 plus stores, which I'll say this actually gives Nation Digital more advantage than Landa, because basically Landa only distributes your music to over 150 plus stores, while Nation Digital Distribution is going to be distributing your music to over 200 plus stores. And also you're also going to be getting custom release dates, which I will say Landa doesn't offer. So basically they're also going to be giving you free pre-save smart links. So you're also going to be getting access to YouTube content ID, free UPC code, in-depth analytics, and also automatic split royalties. And also you're also going to be getting access to your daily streaming stat. So they also have their professional plan right here, which actually costs $35 a year, which I would say is actually quite affordable than the Landa Pro. And you can see right here that these are all the features you're going to be getting. Basically you could actually distribute for 10 artists with this plan. So basically if you know you want to actually distribute for more than one artist, you could actually sign up for this plan right here. And you can see right here that these are all the features you're going to be getting. You're also going to be getting the ability to customize your label name. You're also going to be getting the ability to customize your release dates. You're also going to be getting the ability to customize your iTunes pricing and a lot. So Nation Digital Distribution also has the label plan basically, which actually costs $40 a year, and you could actually distribute for over 100 artists. Guys, there is no music distribution platform out there that could actually give you what Nation Digital Distribution is actually giving you at an affordable price, because literally even DistroKid, you can actually get this kind of offer on DistroKid. And you can see right here that these are all the features you're going to be getting if you actually sign up for the label plan. So basically, if you know you are a label and you have more than one artist on your roster right here, then I'm going to advise you that the best plan you should actually go for is the label plan right here. And I also love about National Data Distribution is that they also offer the per release plan. So basically, if you know you don't have the ability to actually pay for their annual plan, you could actually go for their per release plan. You can see right here, you could actually release an album for just $8, which is a one-time payment, and you don't actually need to worry about any form of subscription. So you can see right here, you get to keep 95% of your royalty. Guys, like no music distribution platform can actually give you this kind of offer. Even CD Baby that actually offer per release, CD Baby actually takes about 9% to almost 10% of your royalty, but National Digital is only taking just 5% out of your royalty, which I'll say is not that much. So basically, you can see right here that these are all the features you're going to be getting once you actually sign up for the plan. You could also see they also have the single plan right here. So if you know you want to just distribute a single, you could actually sign up for their single plan, which I'll say this is one of the best, because literally no music distribution platform can actually give you this kind of deal. So guys, if you're actually looking for a fast music distribution platform that you could actually use to actually distribute your music, then I'm gonna advise that you actually go for Nation Data Distribution. So basically, you could actually just head over to their website right here. You can head over to Google, search for their website, just search for Nation Data Distribution. You're gonna see their website, or you could actually just click on the first link in the video description. It's gonna take you straight to their official website.
Another thing you should also put in mind when choosing a music distribution platform is
you need to pick a music distribution platform that do not just offer distribution, they are actually going to be offering you more than distribution. So basically for Landa right here, what you're actually getting with Landa is just distribution. So the only add-ons that Landa actually offers is for those that would like to master their track. So basically, if you know you want to master your track on Landa, you could actually do that right here. So once you actually create a new music and you would like to master it, Landa can actually get that sorted for you right here. And also you could see right here, Landa also has some add-ons right here, some good features right here on their website right here. But basically, Landa do not actually give you marketing support, because as an artist or record label owner, it's another thing to actually create a music and also distribute them on all streaming platform, and it's another thing to actually market your music, because literally marketing is the most important thing an artist need, because without marketing, nobody's gonna listen to your song, nobody is gonna stream your song. So what is the point of actually just dropping your song and no one is listening to it? So that's why I always advise artists that if you're actually going to be going with a music distribution company, you need to make sure you actually go for a music distribution company that offer both distribution and also marketing. So if you actually head over to Nation Data Distribution right here, and we actually scroll down right here, you guys are going to notice that they have this music promotion package right here for you. So you can see right here, you could actually get some music promotion right here with Nation Digital Distribution. So you can see right here, you could get online playlist pitching right here. So basically, they could actually pitch your music to all DSPs, Spotify, Boomplay, Apple Music, YouTube, Amazon, and all of that. You're also going to be getting online press campaign right here. So you're going to be getting blog features and some juicy things right here that Nation Data Distribution is going to be giving you if you actually sign up for their promotion package. So literally, you could actually just go through the page right here to actually read their terms and condition and also what you're going to be getting. So basically, if you actually look at their price right here, you could see that you could actually get started for just
£399 for their basic plan. So basically that is their basic promotional plan, and you can see right here that these are all the features you're going to be getting. You can see right here it's a 4-week all-in-one campaign for artists who want an affordable and effective music marketing package. So basically what you're going to be getting is playlisting. You're going to be getting playlisting on all streaming platforms. You're also going to be getting music blog features, social media post plan, PR, and all of that right here. And also they also have their standard plan right here. You can see right here the standard plan actually cost £499. So basically it is a 6 weeks music campaign right here. So you can see right here that these are all the features you're going to be getting right here. And also they also have their premium plan. So basically their premium plan right here, they could actually get your music on radio. So if you know you're an artist that you like to get your music on radio and you don't know how to do that right here, so basically you could actually just sign up for Nation Digital Distribution. Then you could actually use them to actually get your music on radio. But if you know you don't want to actually distribute using Nation Digital Distribution, you can only just sign up for their promotional plan. That's why I actually love Nation Digital Distribution a lot, because it's not actually compulsory you actually distribute through their platform for you to be able to actually have access to this. You can actually distribute with other music distribution platform, and also to make use of their promotional service right here. So right now I'm actually going to be walking you through inside of both platforms to actually show you guys how they both looks in the inside. So basically guys, you can see right here that I'm in the dashboard, inside dashboard of Landa Music Distribution. You can see right here that they actually have a good interface, but there's kind of an ad right here which I'll see it's something I don't like. But anyway, I'm actually cool with that, right? So literally if I actually click on the menu bar right here, you can see right here that these are all the features right here. You can see right here that basically the platform is actually good. If you also click on your profile right here, you could actually edit your profile. You could actually change some stuff right here on your profile right here. So basically guys, this is how Landa Music Distribution Platform actually looks like in the inside. You can see right here that this is their graphs right here. So once you start making money, you could actually see your analytics and all of that right here. So right here, let me quickly log in into Nation Data Distribution to actually show you guys how the platform looks like in the inside. So you can see right here that this is how the dashboard of Nation Data Distribution looks like. You see right here they actually have a cool interface. You can see right here that these are some helpful tools for you as an artist. So basically you could actually claim your Spotify for artists, you could claim your Apple Music, you could also claim your audio mark for artists, and also most importantly you could actually claim your official YouTube artist channel right here. You can also connect your audio mark to National Digital Distribution if you know you are actually distributed your music with other music distribution platform. And also they could also help you claim all of your artist profile on DSPs, your TikTok official profile, and a lot of stuff right here that you can actually get right here with Nation Digital Distribution. And one thing I love about them is that they actually offer a WhatsApp support. So basically Nation Digital Distribution actually provide a 247 WhatsApp support, which I'll say none of the music distribution platform actually provide this kind of service. So literally if you actually have any problem anytime, you can actually feel free to actually reach out to their WhatsApp support right here, and they're gonna actually attend to your question. So once you actually click on the menu, you can see right here that these are all the features you're actually going to be getting with Nation Digital Distribution. You can see right here you could actually pitch your music to their playlist. You can also withdraw your earnings. Basically you could see your analytics. And also one thing I love about Nation Data Distribution is that you could also distribute music videos to Vivo, Apple Music Video, Tidal Video, and all of that. So what you need to do is to just click on upload music video right here. So it's going to take you to this page right here. You can see right here that you only need to pay just $10 for you to actually upload your music to Apple Music, Vivo, Boomplay Video, Facebook, and all of that basically. So literally once you actually click on where it says upload your music right here, it's going to take you straight to this page. So they're going to ask you to actually choose your release type. So you could either choose a single or an album. So once you choose a single right here, it's going to take you straight to this page. Basically it's right here that I'm actually about to distribute a music with them. So let me just quickly walk you through how you could actually distribute your music with them. So what you need to do is to actually just fill out your song name. Then you could actually enter the version of the song. Basically if you know it's a studio version, a remix version, a cover version, stuff like that. So you could actually just enter that in, enter the producer name, they put in the lyrics, the songwriter. Then you actually need to select if this song is an instrumental or not, basically. So like literally it's actually simple. And also you could also add in your artist name right here, basically. So just click on where it says add artist. So once you click on where it says add artist, it's going to load up this page right here. So what you need to do is to actually just put in your artist name. So once you're done putting in your artist name, you can actually select the artist role. So the artist can either be a featured artist, a primary artist. So basically it's actually simple to actually distribute your music with Nation Digital Distribution. So once you're done, I will fill out all the necessary information. You could actually preview your music right here to actually see if you actually made a mistake. So basically you could see right here, this is where you could actually review your music to actually see if you actually made a mistake on your release. So if you know you actually made any mistake right here, you could actually just edit them. So guys, if you know you are finding the video helpful so far to this point and you haven't liked the video, like what are you waiting for? Please do what to actually give the video a like, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, because on my channel I actually share with you guys how you could actually grow as an artist. So if you know you're an artist and you would like to grow right here, I'm going to advise you actually to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be dropping more videos on how you could actually grow as an artist. Once you have actually reviewed your release and you see that everything is good right here, all you need to just click on where it says proceed. Then once you click on proceed right here, you'll be able to upload your artwork, you'll be able to upload your audio file. Then from there you'll be able to distribute your music. So one thing you should take note is that Nation Digital Distribution actually takes about 3 days to actually distribute your music, which I would say is actually still faster than any other music distribution platform like Lender. Let me know what you think about this platform. So if you know you have actually tried our Nation Digital Distribution in the past, feel free to actually drop your comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the platform, basically. So if you know you want to actually check more about the platform, we put in a link to a video where you can actually go check out more about Nation Digital Distribution. So guys, you can actually click on the video right here, popping right here on screen, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video.